In this video, we will learn how to use substitute function to create email ID. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some name list and I want to create here email ID. So I just enter is equal to substitute. Okay. Tab. Then select the name. Use the and sign. Double quote @gmail.com. Okay. Then use again double quote, comma, double quote, comma, double quote, and double quote three times. And use the bracket close and just enter. That's it. Here you see the email ID is created. Just copy this formula and drag it. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.